got this cute little eraser. Look at it. So cute. It's a little koala. And you can put it apart. See? And put it back. So cute. And this is what you can get. You can get a little lion right here, a kangaroo, a snake, and this one, which I already got. I got the, here is the monkey and the giraffe. I don't know who is this guy. And I have 2 more eggs. Let's see, what do I get from these 2? Let's get the bowl and see, what do we get? Open up, open up, open up, open up. Shake the egg, shake the egg. Come on, be a lion, be a lion. I really want a lion. I don't want him. I don't want a lion and eraser. Let's see, who do we get? A blue little container. Let's open it up. Ah. Come on. There we go. Oh my gosh. We didn't got any razor, but we got this guy. Look at him. It's a little figure. And look at these. These are all you can collect. And let's see what's in the other egg. Come on, any razor line. Come on, come on. I really want the razor line. So excited. Okay. Crack it open. Another blue box. Wow, my fingers are so mossy. Look at it. Here he is. I don't know on which side he is. And again, the same picture. We don't need to look at it. I didn't get my other erasers, but that's fine. Let's see my other toy. These are the little kittens. This is all you can get. Look at this one, so cute. I really want this one and this one with a heart. I want the heart one and this one. Look at the rainbow one, Rainbow Kitty! Woo! Let's see which one do we get. Open it. Get all this out. And here's the package. Looks like a little bag which you can hang around. And here's this. And here is this little thing where you can read. Look at this one, look at them. There's 3 of them on that picture. No, there's a lot of them. What is this? I think you need a coin for that. Look at this cat picture. A maze for a little kitten. Look at these, you can color them. And that's the end. That was such a sweet book. Now let's open this. Mr. Scissors. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this little fluffy guy or girl. Little ticket right here. Little ticket stuffed in. What's else here? I think that's this one heart with a heart. I got the one I like. Yee! Look like this if he was a real cat. Aww, so cute. Now, the collection on this paper is big. Look at this side. I think this is like a side of an adoption cart. What's his name? There's a little plastic somewhere. Where is it? I don't know where it is. There is the plastic. When you pull it, she makes sounds. Where is it again? Oh my gosh! She shakes in my hand. Actually shakes in my hand. Oh my gosh. She's just shaking. She's actually just shaking, not making any more sounds. Just shaking. Purr, 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 purr. Meow, meow. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Meow. And that was all from this little kitty. Bye.